we're nearing the completion of this restoration. When I say that, I mean there are a few little touches yet to be done. Front bumper, doors, mirrors. But the majority of the work is completed, as you can see. It is a stock mustard yellow color. The nice part about this is that galvanized frame really stands out, especially with the contrasty black components that we've painted up here. It was a very nice restoration. It will live right down near the Atlantic Ocean, or parts of the Atlantic, so therefore we have a lot of aluminum, a lot of galvy, a lot of stainless steel in order to keep any kind of corrosion down. Within here there is a tuppy center console that lifts up and shows it's a Kenwood system. The speakers are located in the back. We do these speakers like this mainly because they're removable, as you can see. They can come out for safeties reasons, well, safety, but security reasons, I guess. You can take them out if you're going to be in town. And also, if you're out and about, you want to bring them outside the vehicle to play music. A lot of people bring these trucks on beaches in certain parts of the state of Rhode Island, New Hampshire, actually not New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut. So that's what we do that for. But nice details here along the back. There's the Pollock plug and the receiver. The spare tire carrier's on. Nice details in this tire carrier in that we have a nice little rubber piece here. The spring is here. And then behind there are more rubber pieces, cushions and things of that nature that hold the tire carrier in place. Stainless steel hardware throughout on our products. Hard to tell some of the detail in the back, but all the jack equipment is here. Oops. Inspection cover. This is a best top, in case you were wondering. So, nice to see.